until say you be kind the last constituency. Say me a presidential candidate. I will never accept defeat. I will never accept defeat until the electoral commissioner comes out to declare. I will not make so. I will never accept defeat.
Okay, Ebusiafo, Honorable Kennedy Akumprenku Japan, and the assembly abetuja. Or see, 2028 about to na yekwa kotono. Said delegate for to me to Abamano and I said to me as a flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, the NPP now. And ya dear or no, say oko sa 2028 na and ya say we lose and ya dear or no obey accepted defeat and ne na and ya dear obey accepted defeat china. I just say isi nankasa eba bonti ebe kachire ni say oh honorable we lose eho na ono obeji atum say fine we lose but pass say ni team kraka chere ni say oh abatwa na ya atu no mu nye kra enya dia ono obepini eno na Ghana fo anase NPP youth esi no so say Honorable Kennedy Japan actually say you na kasa no unim say 2028 abatwa na yakwa akoto no unim say wo ye de ukwa obeluzu Intina by this time no who start say who catch them go for say who dia who kwa say who lose and dia will be penny say who be accepted defeat. Now almost per candidate a bit to me really 2028 mamu now we same now who can there and yeah campaign message into a ya uncle no zambra ebusia mama yen kwane nkoti dia MPP youth catchere Honorable Akupreku Japan. Na yeba to us the mission of bibia
Abusiafo AY3ka Hon.Kennedy Japan wa make some interesting remarks bia me pese me no ye dom asu ko na ye bibie mu na I say 2028 elections na ye ko no ye man nye flag bearer na bosha wode share NPP for ne say ye man ye flag bearer 2028 elections no so lusu a enya de a wo beji atum enya de a wo be concede defeat until say electoral commissioner abobo money nyina the money nyina ba bonten e declare NDC ni say on e wini until so no Kennedy Japan obeji atum na she video ni wi a bra ni endi nkomo
until say you be kind the last constituency. Say me a presidential candidate. I will never accept defeat. I will never accept defeat until the electoral commissioner comes out to declare. I will not make so. I will never accept defeat. Ekuna ye kono ehia bema a wo mu beta yachi enye sa wo de ye boy ya na mu dimirika ni mo adwane no makosi segu no enye sa na ye election in Africa.
Abusiafo so Kennedy Japan is telling NPP for say or no personally when you say 2028 elections no ye de ne call as flag bearer obelu supporter onye winnable candidate anya de obetimi wini any election presidential elections for Ghana into the major campaign message what they NPP for promise what they NPP for and the same ye de ne call no lusu a no de 1 June 2 until say electoral commissioner ebeba abonten na wa be declare say we lose ansa na wachi atum na ye man ntene ho ase say 2028 elections na MPP ye kono ye nko say ye kwa akolusu ye ko say ye kwa akowini nti ono no so nim say obehwe onim say there is no way obetimi a win elections na on can change because we are looking for a winnable candidate, not somebody who will be lose no flexing a muscles or pretending to be Bema. And you see, young cousin checking in Japan. So, person will tell us where you're Bema. In case all catch and say, we lose elections and an electoral commission in Barbon thing. It be declared for our own June 2. Ober force waji to me am MPP. That is so person so you're Bema and then a bank says over the shade. That should be your campaign message. If say was so you're Bema. But Bema Ben or no because say, oh, media mean June to until so officially, one be declare say Melusu and Sana Majatum. How does that make you a man? It makes you no man. It makes you somebody or no only strong mentally and cannot accept defeat. That is what it makes you. I don't make my own bear until they catch it and say, "Jim too." Because we elections now or purpose and say or back of flex or muscles or better NPP for so we a bear man. Inti campaign messages with the name say, "Unim say elections no be lose, but unjintum o ya bear manti." Easy Bible and Timber declare will lose a crowd. Unjintum obef obli o the force a beji to me am NPP. And not ye benya umuji, and only a be say we a bear man. But near what Canada Sebia young colasem, and you see that misconception, that lame thought, that lame opinion say one young to moontem. And when a mao make bear, a mao ye bear man, mini baby or coffee free, because the thing is that since 2016, 2016, I'm a IT officer for new job in South Constituency. And I know the NPP, your system, your developer system, your 12 5 p.m. I hear as well 1 a.m. near who your stands, near who see a beanie and I see a loose. And you see, to be a man is to have the courage to face the data and any elections results are collating and take the necessary action. Say, I deal with your winning, so we will protect it. And I see you lose, so we will protect the peace of Ghana. That is what makes you a man. And that was what Dr. Bawumia did to save this country. Do you know what? I am an NPP, and the image of Dr. Bawumia or consider early. If that Dr. Bawumia call ye Kennedy Japan at Tintintia, Nkabai now to Kwesi Ghana. And with such losing mentality and flexing female muscles, NPP, that's not what we need. That's not what we need. And to Kennedy Japan and Honti, I say, you should go and sit down because 2028 elections, we are going in to win. We are not going in to flex our muscles. To show say you lose you accept it until say what
the mesro me the way I see do NPP and ya dia me ye bibia de tia NPP they charge me treason because of NPP. I will never do anything to destroy NPP. Now omo eba ha nyina 1992 ebe pim sad when was say body and soul or the sika na ho den ne nim de aboa NPP party AY3ka Kennedy Japan na me kura ni wi a na makọ akọsẹ no ana ye party ni ti mesremo obi obeba bia wantini yanka adwuma ho asem na obeka Kennedy Japan onye presidential material onye say look, let me tell you, we need bold men. Yehia kukudrofo NDC for etutura sem no wanya obi anani edin na wantimi anko face NDC for ye besa opposition the mesra munya kukudrofo until say ye be kind the last constituency say me ye presidential candidate. I will never accept defeat. I will never accept defeat until the electoral commissioner comes out to declare. I will not make case so I will never accept defeat. Ekuna ye kono ehia bema a wo mu beta yachi enye sa wo de ye boy ya na mu dimirika ne mo adwane no makosi segu no. And yes, I'm here election in Africa. To vote for a bold man. ABM last one may go transit. Obi ba was say